In this video, they're going to show you how Lead Connect is going to show you how to create a subdomain and a root domain and how to verify your domain so that your emails don't land in spam and your online presence is trusted by Google online. The tutorial is by Lead Connectors and it's showing Go HighLevel, but the principles are the same. So you would create your subdomain wherever you purchased your domain from, and I highly recommend using an @domain email. So watch the tutorial and then you'll be able to learn how to change your own DNS records.
Welcome to this tutorial on creating a root domain and setting it up in your site. We'll guide you through establishing a domain with a domain registrar, integrating it into your account, and associating it with a funnel or website. Let's get started. I would like to begin by explaining the difference between a root domain and a subdomain. A root domain is the primary domain name you register, forming the foundation of your website, for example, example.com. Subdomains are additional components added to the root domain, creating separate web addresses for organizing content or providing specific services, for example, blog.example.com. I will cover how to use subdomains with your sites in another video. Step 1. Register your domain. Choose a domain registrar, GoDaddy, Namecheap, Cloudflare, or Google Domains, and visit their website. Search for your desired domain name and check its availability. Once you've found an available domain, complete the registration process and purchase the domain. Step 2. Create the A record for your root domain. Proceed to create the A record for your domain. Make sure you use this IP address as provided in the tooltip here as the value of your root domain. If you are using Cloudflare, make sure that the proxy status for the A record is set to DNS only. Cloudflare proxy is not compatible with our system. Step 3. Add the domain to your account. Log into your account, switch to the desired sub-account, and navigate to the settings section. Locate the domain settings. Click the Add New Domain button and enter your root domain. Choose a default page for your domain, which helps avoid a 404 error. Save your new domain settings. Step 4. Configure your new domain. In your account, navigate to the Sites tab and the website or funnel you want to associate with your new domain. Locate the website's or funnel's domain settings and select your new domain from the list of available options. Save your funnel or website domain settings, and your funnel or website should now be configured to use your new root domain. That's it. You've successfully created a root domain, configured it with Cloudflare, and set it up for use in your account. Now you can create and utilize website and funnel functionalities with your custom domain. If you encounter any issues, consult our support team or help library. Happy marketing!